What?
That's all.
What?
Age. Yeah.
Yeah, you're small, very small.
This is what I'm getting. Twirled. Oh, look at the shark. On this mirror, I think I'm gonna get this mirror too. This Bork. And then let me show you the desk. This is the desk. It's tiny, but this is, I think it's the perfect desk for what I need it for. IKEA eatery. About to review it, rate it, give you a scale 1 to 10. It's called the smorgasbord, and we're here on a Tuesday, so everything is like $3 for a full meal. So. Hope you enjoy. Here it is in all its glory. Let me try it. Hold this for me. Okay. First bite. You're not filming me.
No.
First bite. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Thank you. Your turn.
French fries.
French fry.
Not sure if they're Swedish, but they're very good.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Look, I have this so you can carry your kids.
Oh, wow. What do you rate your IKEA?
So far, I would have rated it a 9 out of a 10 experience. It's fun to look at.
Okay. I would agree. I have to give it a 9 out of 10. Super delicious. My only critique is their jam thing. It's not working. And I really wanted to have some jam with my meatballs. It's got my Strava Jork. Now we're headed to get
12.
I have 14. Yes. I wish I had my Heelys on. This is perfect Heely territory.
We should have got a cart.
It's fine, I think I can carry it. Twirled. It's here.
I hit her car.
It didn't hit our car.